Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks a lot for tuning in. In this video, I want to share with you my 7-step formula how you start business in United States as a foreigner and what you need to know if you want to create a profitable business and later on possibly apply for your investor visa. So let's do this. Come here. All right, if you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe. Let's do it. I want to start talking about how you can start business in the United States in 2022 as a foreigner. In other words, if you are immigrant, aspiring immigrant who want to move to the United States, you want to start your business that is profitable, definitely this video is for you. And before I dive deeper, I want to invite you to free training. A link is going to be below this video. You can learn everything, how you can start your business in 90 days and bring the revenue to 5-figure months. This is something I've done, my clients done, so definitely check it out. Link is going to be below. It's mostly for service-based entrepreneurs, so if it's you, definitely go ahead and register. So let's do it. In this video, I'm going to dive deeper into 7 steps how you start business as a foreigner. Step number 1 is to gain clarity. In other words, what is my niche? What am I trying to achieve with this business? Where do I want to eventually maybe invest? And in order for you to do that, you need to validate your idea. So this is very important because many times when I talk to people, they have idea, but they never validated the idea. What is very important in the process of establishing successful, profitable business in the United States is to understand that the US market might be different than the market in your country. So if you are existing entrepreneur, maybe you run certain business, but maybe that particular business is not going to work well in the US market. So first you want to start with niche, defining your niche, and then validation of the idea. Okay. Number 2, once you validate the idea, in other words, you know that this business model is going to work, then you can actually build a business plan, even though in my opinion, building a business plan, even though it's a requirement, one of the requirements for example, E2 investor visa application. But before you even go there, I really want you to just gain clarity for you as a business owner, as that entrepreneur. What kind of business am I doing? And how am I going to make profit with this business? And therefore, the idea validation is crucial. Because idea validation means that you have found people who will pay for your products or services. Once you actually validate the idea, then you can go to the next step, which is the step number 2, opening up your LLC or corporation. Okay, I have a video where I talk about corporation, LLC. I also have a training program how you can do it even from your home country. A link is going to be below. And you open up this LLC, even though if you don't have a visa. This is frequently asked question. People always ask me, do I need to actually have a visa to open LLC? You don't need any visa. In fact, you don't even need to be present in the United States to open up LLC. Once you open up your LLC, which is limited liability company or corporation, then you can open up your bank account, which is step number 3. You open up a corporate bank account, and then after you're done with the corporate bank account, you can then vary your investment. Now, I'm usually working with E2 investors, right? So this is for those who want to eventually get the visa, right? You wire the funds, and people always ask, how much do I need to invest? Now, it really depends to answer this question properly, because it really depends on your business idea, in other words, the business model, okay? And also, how much do you really need to make this business profitable, okay? Because what is the, actually, in my opinion, very important requirement in E2 visa process is to actually create profitable business that is not just marginal. In other words, the business is making profit and is making more than minimum living expenses for yourself. Last thing you want is to actually move to the United States, whether it's under E2 visa or different visa or a green card, and struggle here. Okay, you actually want to create profitable company. Therefore, focus on investment that is substantial for your business to take off and generate profit. Okay, and this can be anywhere from 50 to half a million, 50,000 to half a million, really depending on a business model, depending on a location and so on. Because remember, we are building profitable, real business. Okay, so that's that. And last step would be you apply for your visa, right? As an entrepreneur, as a business owner, the number one visa I always recommend is actually E2 visa. And there are several reasons why. I have an entire playlist. You can check it out here. I'm going to attach it to this video. Also, check out free training below where I dive deeper how you can get your E2 visa. And I'm just going to say it in a very simple way. The reason I recommend E2 visa is because there is pretty much no other visa type available for those who are business owners, actually small business owners, if you know what I mean, than E2 visa. E2 visa is a very flexible visa. It can be done very fast. I personally was on E2 visa before I actually scaled my business and applied for a green card. And if you are actually able to get E2 visa, you can travel back and forth between US and your home country. And also, if you have multiple companies, E2 visa is not like a green card. Green card is a permanent residency card. With the green card, you have to stay in the country. You cannot leave the country. Your tax domicile is in the United States. With E2 visa, you can be more flexible. So the tax optimization is way more friendly and flexible compared to green card. So it really depends on a strategy that you plan to do for your business and also your long-term goals. But E2 visa is, in my opinion, the perfect visa for entrepreneurs and business owners. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.